Shenzhen Wayu Times Technology Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise specializing in electronics, hardware, and daily necessities. We have an associated factory, and we total covers an area of 2,015 square meters, with a number of professional production lines and a variety of advanced equipment, including 8 injection molding machines and 10 dispensers. We have 52 employees, including 3 R&D engineers, and we are good at developing new products quickly. Our R&D engineers are highly educated to ensure innovation and quality. We offer a full range of customization services, from material replacement to graphic customization. Our quality assurance team includes QA and QC inspectors to ensure the high standards of our products. Our engineering team has a wealth of experience that allows us to effectively deliver tailor-made solutions to our customers. With an impressive annual output and strong export capacity, Shenzhen Wayu Times Technology serves major customers around the world. With many years of export experience, we have entered markets such as North America, South America, and Eastern Europe. Our products include smartwatches and headphones, and therapy machines, smart ashtrays, watch cases. Both come with a 12 months warranty to ensure reliability and customer satisfaction. The company holds CE and FCC RoHS certifications, demonstrating our commitment to quality and compliance with international standards. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us.